What's up guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So as you can see, I have got an iPhone here, and in today's video I will show you that how to screen record on your iPhone. Everything what you are doing on your iPhone, you can be able to screen record it. And I will not only show you how to screen record it, but I will also show you while doing screen recording of your phone activity, whatever you are doing, you can also record your voice at the same time while doing a screen recording. So let's do it now, right? So what you need to do, that I'm on my iPhone, and you have to drag down like this, and this screen will come up, and then here this button, the circle thing, you have to press it once to make it screen recording, and it starts now. So whatever you will do on your phone, it will record everything what you are doing, right? So I'm onto the news website, and you can do whatever you like, it will come up, it will record it. But by doing that thing, pressing that record button, it will not record your voice. There is another thing you gotta do to record your voice while doing screen recording. So I'll press this again to stop the recording. As you can see, it has stopped the recording. And now to do the voice recording while doing screen recording, same time, you got to press it for a few seconds, and then this screen will come up, and then here you need to click on microphone off right now. So you got to click on that, and you have turned on the microphone. And now when you click on start recording, it will start recording your voice at the same time. It will start recording your voice at the same time while you're recording everything what you are doing on your iPhone. So the screen recording what you have done with your voice recording or without voice recording would be on your photos album. So if you go on to your photos, here is the photos album. This is the one which I recorded, right? As you can see. So that's how you do it. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.